Alright guys, this is not going to be the best video. It's kind of windy out here, so hopefully you're going to be able to hear me. So this is the International I've been driving, 2021, and you kind of see what I'm talking about these stacks. So looking down, it's kind of what you see. So you see when I try to get my foot on there, you're kind of having to move your leg around that. Not exactly the best setup, I think, because you have to get your toes on it. You can't really get your full foot on that. But I do like the way they got the diesel exhaust and the diesel pretty close to each other, so when you're at a fuel pump, it's easy to fill both up without having to reverse the truck. But yeah, this truck was really freaking dirty, and I got it all nice and clean yesterday. And it also has the removable mud flaps, which if you're OTR and you're trying to chain up, it's kind of nice. But this truck does not come with the airbag dumps. I think I said that in the first video, which is really kind of stupid. But anyway, that's that. Doing a 30-minute break. My student's on federal. I'm on Texas, of course, so I don't have to. But I'm gonna go grab something to eat while I can, and I'll catch you all later. Thank you for watching. Comment, like, rate, and subscribe. Oh, and I'll be in my truck later on tonight. My KW is finally fixed. Finally. So yeah, I'll be back in that later on. Take it easy. See you guys later. Look at my dog in the window.